May was an ordinary young girl with an extraordinary spirit. With twinkling eyes and a heart full of dreams, she lived in the bustling city of Riverton. Her journey of courage began with small acts that many might overlook. As a young child, she always stood up for her friends, whether it was against a school bully or in a debate about fairness. Her voice, though small, carried the weight of truth. One summer, Riverton was hit by an unexpected storm. Streets flooded and chaos ensued. May, barely 12 years old, noticed an elderly neighbor struggling to move to higher ground. Without a second thought, she waded through the waist-deep water, offering her hand and guiding him to safety. That day, a local journalist captured her photo, drenched but smiling, with a headline reading, "A young hero rises." But May's trials didn't end there. In her teenage years, she faced a different kind of storm: her mother's sudden illness. With her father working endless hours to cover medical bills, May took on the responsibility of caring for her younger siblings. Managing her schoolwork and home responsibilities was no small feat, but she handled it with unwavering determination. She often spent sleepless nights studying, driven by the belief that education was her key to changing the world. Her teachers noticed her struggle and offered support, but it was May's persistence that truly shone through. Despite the adversity, she graduated top of her class, earning a scholarship to Riverton University. Her journey continued as she pursued a degree in environmental science, inspired by the very storm that had marked her as a hero. At university, she faced new challenges, demanding coursework, part-time jobs, and the weight of her family's expectations. Each obstacle was a stepping stone, shaping her into a resilient young woman. In her final year, May spearheaded a community project to combat pollution in Riverton's river. Her passion and dedication rallied the community, and together they restored the river to its former glory. The transformation became a symbol of hope and resilience for the entire city. On the day of her graduation, as she stood on stage to deliver her valedictorian speech, the crowd saw more than just a young graduate. They saw a symbol of bravery, perseverance, and the power of a determined spirit. May's story spread beyond Riverton, inspiring countless others to face their own challenges with courage. Her journey was a testament to the fact that true bravery is not the absence of fear, but the determination to move forward despite it. As May looked out at the faces filled with admiration and hope, she knew her journey was far from over. It was just the beginning.